Okay, so we're Team Sygma, and some of you might know our names already, but I'm Brent.
I'm Angela.
I'm Nigel.
My name is Dirty.
I'm Austin.
So this is the ball shooter project, and this is our presentation. So I'll start with some of the initial designs. So you guys wanna?
Well, the pictures we have up here is when, okay, the top one is the first one we're making. Okay, actually, before we worked on the catapults, we had the whole idea for a pitching machine, and eventually we threw that one out. It wasn't working very well. So we moved to a crossbow, and that didn't work either. And so we moved to catapults, and first up there in the top left, we were trying to work on a way of using a string to pull it up and, you know, make the ball fly up. And that one was complicated, and it was torquing the machine too much. It wasn't working very well. And so finally we settled on this design at the bottom, which is we have now is just a catapult with a string that'll stop it at a certain point, so to check the ball out. Yeah, and the feeder system is just the ball rolls down, and then the feeder system will pop it up. Yeah, it has a little windy thing, and I'm going to explain that, but it pops the ball into the hand, and the hand throws it.
And at first we just kind of started out with the two motors there that are kind of side by side. Those were the only thing powering the catapult, so those would just lift it up and inflate it. But then Jordy thought it might be better to put some rubber bands on it also to give it just a little more power. So we experimented with that, and we found that if we put too many of the rubber bands on, the catapult wouldn't stay down in its fixed position underneath the feeder, and it would just kind of spring back up. So we found the right amount of rubber bands to use where it would still rest down there, but it also gave it a little more oomph in actually launching. So yeah, that's kind of what we got for the overall thing. And the whole thing is powered by a touch sensor. So you start it off with the touch sensor, and then it'll just run through the motions until, yeah, it's all kind of launching balls in the field. And then the program used for it is this one here. So we've got, I just basically just did a straight across where you have the touch sensor started, and then just runs through the different motor motions. Then I have a 2-second delay right up here just to make sure everything has been worked out and everything has come to rest as far as motion goes. And then just repeats the process, and then again delay, and then finishes it off, and then the program stops. So that's what we got.
Any question? Okay, yep, thank you.